going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is my yellow C6 Corvette. It is a 2007. We're here to get it washed because, as you can see, it is very dirty. I don't even want to show you because, like, look at that. Oh my God. So, like, obviously crawling under the car, putting the headers on and all that kind of stuff. Fingerprints, dirt. It's bad. So we had some problems with cylinder 4 misfiring. Turned out just to be this broken spark plug, as you can see here. Wasn't a big deal. Caused a lot of problems because, again, it was misfiring, wasn't running right. Also, I couldn't get my code reader to read. Not sure if that was the car, because it seems like it doesn't really read that often, or if it was the actual code reader itself. But we finally got it to read. It threw 4 codes. 3 of them were actually the O2 sensors, and as you know, this car doesn't have cats on it, so they are not hooked up, hence why it's throwing the codes. But the other code was a cylinder 4 misfire. Finally, once I got that code to read, I realized that we had a problem in cylinder 4. So we checked spark plugs, the wires, took the wires off, they looked fine. As soon as I pull the spark plug out, you hear pieces hit the ground. As you can see in the picture, something was wrong with it, and it was missing the chunks that hit the ground. So I changed the spark plug out, and what do you know? It fixed it. So hopefully that's the end of that problem. Hopefully once we get this tuned for the check engine light with the sensors, we should be good to go, and we'll go from there. That's all for today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see on the channel. We'll go from there, and I'll see you in a couple days when I upload a new video.